Welcome back to Luxury Premium Vibe Showroom, everyone. If you're looking for the absolute pinnacle of automotive luxury, comfort, and prestige, then you're in exactly the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the world's most exclusive vehicles. Today, we're exploring a true symbol of elite craftsmanship and executive status, the Maybach S-Class in white. This is not just a luxury sedan. It's a statement of refinement, power, and timeless elegance. Mercedes-Maybach represents the highest tier of Mercedes-Benz engineering, where innovation meets handcrafted luxury. The Maybach S-Class stands at the top of the flagship lineup, designed for those who demand nothing less than perfection in every detail. From the first glance, the Maybach S-Class commands respect. The bold chrome-accented grille, upright hood ornament, and precision-cut LED headlights create an unmistakable presence. Its long wheelbase and flawless proportions project authority and sophistication. The white exterior finish enhances the vehicle's elegance, highlighting its clean lines and luxurious chrome detailing. Every surface reflects precision, balance, and understated opulence. At the rear, refined LED taillights, subtle badging, and a wide stance complete a design that feels dignified, powerful, and unmistakably premium. Under the hood, the Maybach S-Class delivers effortless performance. The powertrain is engineered for smooth, silent acceleration, offering immense power without drama. Every movement feels controlled, refined, and seamless. Advanced suspension systems virtually eliminate road imperfections, creating a floating ride quality that transforms every journey into a first-class experience. Whether cruising city streets or traveling long distances, the cabin remains calm and composed. Step inside, and the Maybach S-Class redefines luxury. The interior is a sanctuary of craftsmanship, featuring premium leather, real with trims, metal accents, and ambient lighting that can be customized to match any mood. The rear seating area is where the Maybach truly shines. Executive lounge seating, extended legroom, reclining seats, and massaging functions turn the back seat into a private jet on wheels. A large central infotainment system offers intuitive controls, advanced navigation, and seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Rear passengers enjoy individual displays, premium audio, and complete control over their environment. Sound insulation is exceptional, allowing the outside world to fade away completely. Every journey feels private, quiet, and effortlessly luxurious. Safety and driver assistance technologies are among the most advanced available, including adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping, collision prevention, and intelligent parking systems, working silently in the background to ensure confidence and peace of mind. On the road, the Maybach S-Class feels smooth, composed, and incredibly refined. Steering is light yet precise, power delivery is effortless, and the vehicle glides rather than drives. It's engineered to be experienced, not rushed. In summary, the Maybach S-Class White, available at Luxury Premium Vibe Showroom, represents the ultimate expression of luxury motoring. It's built for those who value comfort, prestige, and uncompromising excellence in every journey. That wraps up today's review of the Maybach S-Class. Drop your thoughts in the comments, like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell to stay updated with our next review. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.